Welcome to Animal a Day. 10 squid facts. Nature's OLED TV. 1. Squids are a tentacle-laden group of cephalopod mollusks with over 300 species. 2. The squid species live all across the ocean and tend to favor the deepest, darkest spots. 3. Though they aren't octopuses, they are closely related to them, as they're both cephalopods. 4. Just like their octopus cousins, they can shoot a cloud of ink as a defense mechanism. The ink is used as a smokescreen, letting them evade predators. The ink is actually edible, and it's used in various human foods and medicines. 5. Squids are the chameleons of the sea, as they can change the color of their skin at will. They have special cells that alter not only its skin's color, but also its brightness. I wonder if you could watch videos on a squid. 6. Squids have the ability to jump out of water and flap their fins, creating something that looks like flying or gliding. They can soar through the air fairly far, about 98 feet or 30 meters. So the squid jumping in Splatoon has a basis in reality. 7. Squids have a carnivorous diet and eat several varieties of fish and crustaceans, among other things. They wrap their tentacles around their prey and rip, tear, and pulverize it until it's in tiny pieces that will fit in the squid's mouth. 8. The tiniest squid in the world is the southern pygmy squid. Fully grown pygmy squids only reach about 2/3 of an inch, or 1.6 centimeters long. 9. Meanwhile, the heaviest squid on the planet is thought to be the colossal squid. It's about 1,080 pounds, or 490 kilograms, and around 10 feet, or 3.5 meters long. And 10. The giant oceanic mythological beast, the Kraken, is believed to have been inspired by a giant squid. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more daily animal videos.